Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see how to create Hive tables. Okay, so once we log into our Edge node or terminal, Linux box and Hadoop cluster, just you have to type Hive to connect to Hive to log into Hive database. So I am using this Cloudera Quick Start VM, and I will show you how to create Hive tables. So this is the Hive table. So how to see how many databases are there? Show databases. So currently two databases are there, default and Hadoop. So if I want to use Hadoop database, use Hadoop. So show tables, how many tables are there in Hadoop database, emp10 and sample. We can create a table using normal create statement. Create table sample 2 id integer. Table created. Insert also same thing we can do. Insert into sample 2 values. If you do this, if you insert some value, it will also insert. So this is one way, but this is not recommended, right? See, if you do like this, what is the difference between RDBMS and Hive? So the Hive is meant for Hadoop is meant for huge data, right? To store and process huge data. So here row by row insertion and all, it is very it will be very slow because internally it will map reduce, it will work. So for small data sets, still RDBMS is very fast. Okay, but this is one way, but this is not recommended. So one more approach is we have to load Hive tables. So based on, we have to create Hive tables based on some files. Okay, for that we have to create a table like this. Let me create first, then I will explain. So create table, employee number, integer type, string, like this. Whatever, how many columns are there in your file, based on that columns you can create. After that, row format delimited fields terminated by comma. In my source file, the each record separated with the comma, right? So fields terminated by comma I have to give. Then we'll see. Okay, table has been created. So how to insert data into table is this is the command. Okay, load data local in path. Load data is a syntax, and local means from the file is available in this local only, in the same machine. That time we will give local in path. Okay, so where is my file is available, and which table you want to insert, employee. So there will be two modes, overwrite, insert. So what I have to do, I am doing is Cloudera. My file is available in a desktop, right? Desktop and emp.csv. So in single quotations I am giving this and hit enter. So it is showing. So table created. Okay, we'll query and we'll see. Select star from emp. So you can see data, but headers you are not able to see. To see headers, we have to enable this command, set hive cli print. This command, set hive cli print header equal to true, we need to enable. then select star from emp. You can see that employee table dot employee number rename like this. Okay, in this way we can create Hive tables. Now I will show you Hive, how to work with the Hive. Same table. So this is command prompt. We have created tables. Hive usually in real time will work with Hive. So we'll see how to query data in Hive. I'm opening Hive now. Hive nothing but a Hadoop user experience. So this is the editor. So currently we are in Impala mode. We have to change to Hive. We have to select a Hive. Now this is the Hive. So how many databases, everything we can see here. So we have created we have seen two databases, right? So Hadoop database, and so in Hadoop database employee table just now we have created. So this is one. So in this, so we can display schema also, like same like Toad or SQL Server Management Studio. So if you drag and drop here, select star from Hadoop.emp, okay, select that statement and click on where is enter also you can do, control enter. See data, you can see dead, and once you query the data, that output we can export. Okay, so you can export and you can play with that. Okay, this is uh, this is Hue. So you can play here. You can see left side all the tables, everything you can see here. You can query the data. Okay, and all the Hive tables you are creating, that will be stored in user Hive warehouse location in HDFS. How to see that? So if it is a HDFS path, HDFS DFS -ls user Hive warehouse. So this is the default path. So we have to give hadoop.db also. Then you can see in the Hadoop DB how many are there tables. So internally it is a file. Okay, this Hive table what it is doing. So it is giving table kind of structure, to the developers or users. Okay, this internally it is a file. So it will be in Hadoop. This where it is storing. All Hive tables will be created in a user Hive warehouse. In next upcoming videos, we'll see how many types of tables are there. Everything we'll see. So one more thing. So once you created that Hive, how to describe the table? Describe EMP. So how many columns, data types, everything. Okay. Describe formatted EMP means, so complete information about that, full description, how many columns, data types, which database, who is owner, when it is created, what is the location. See, HDFS total path. Okay, this is table type. Which type of table? Manager type means internal table. So there are two types of tables are there. Main internal table, external table. We'll see one by one. So is there any compressor type, output format, or input? Is there any SERDI properties you are using? All these things you can see here. Okay, this will see you while creating different types of Hive tables.